Hello everybody, my name is Scott. I'm part of the senior management team here at DATS, and today I'm going to teach you about groups, areas, and teams. Right now you're seeing my Duck Dynasty fake account for filming stuff like this, and I'm in the process of setting it up. It's very early in the setup stages, and there's very little here. You might have even seen the video where we added this job and defined the training requirements for a company vehicle operator. Groups, areas, and teams are something that's established under settings, and it's a way to assign a bunch of people to a thing. That sounds a little bit vague or maybe too general. But let's say you have a task and you wanted a certain cluster of people to be able to see that task. You could grab a group, area, or team and assign that to the task or the investigation or a meeting and so on. This is settings. Remember, this is only for administrators to see, and I've got this link right here. First question is, what's the difference between a group, an area, a team? Nothing. They're spelt differently. Maybe they mean different things to you. A group of people, area might have a geographic distribution, of course, and of course team. The functionality, as far as DATS is concerned, is exactly the same. I'm going to make a team for each of my new clusters of people here in Duck Dynasty. You see I've already made a few. I've got some more. I'm just going to bounce over to another browser where this is my actual everyday account. My task to set up Duck Dynasty. Everyone here are my employees. They're all in green. You can see their job titles. They've already been added to the system. And you can see here we've clustered them in different categories. If I scroll down a little bit more, the only one missing that I haven't already added is warehouse and logistics. Let's go back into the actual account and get that added right now. I can be in two different DATS accounts in two totally different places by having two browsers open, so I'm kind of cheating here. All I do is I paste that down in there. And I'm going to save the team. The page will refresh, and there's everything I need. Now let's make my head a little bit smaller here and chuck it somewhere out of the way. You can see that I don't have any users in any of these teams, and that no templates have been associated. That's pretty geeky stuff for another video. What I can do is I can now go into any of these, edit them, and then start applying the people. If I wanted to, I could add a description like, what does this team mean? I don't need to do that. So now I use the little people finder down here to find the people. Now I don't know anybody's name in this account, so I'm just going to bounce back over here. If I go to my executive team, we're looking for James McAllister, Rebecca Langford, and Daniel Grayson. So let's get James McAllister in there first. Go back up here to Safari. Up here. There's all my people. This is a good place for me to introduce perhaps this last name filter. I know that we're looking for McAllister. I click on the M. It's very easy to find that person, right? And then we can just keep adding people. And that's basically it. So you can set up your groups, areas, and teams. You can have as many as you want. They can have different combinations of people. In the subsequent videos, you're going to find out all the different cool ways these can be used to create incredible efficiencies for your company. If you have any questions about this functionality or anything else, by all means, go up to the live help button here, smash it. A real person will help you within 60 seconds. That's our commitment to you. Thank you for using DATS.